Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Bubble cushions already roll. I press starting like my wooden room. I go skirt. I got a lemon squeeze, bitch. It's a problem solver.
What is fashion? If you guys are new here, please click that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up before we get started. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some of my feminine hygiene tips. I know I did a video on this already and it actually did pretty good and you guys seem to like it. So I do have some new products and just some stuff that I didn't tell you guys because I forgot to tell you guys in that video, and I'm just gonna put it in this video so you guys can see what I've been using and what I do to smell fresh and clean. Just a disclaimer, you guys do not have to use any of these products that I'm using. This is just simply what I do, and there's some stuff that I haven't tried yet but I'm going to try, and I will let you guys know. If you guys check out my social media, like I will be posting like reviews on certain products because I haven't used all of these yet. So I just wanted to show you guys some things so you guys can see what's out there, and then you guys can go buy them if you want to try them. So you don't have to do anything that I do. I'm not saying that I'm a professional and that I know what works for everyone. This is just what works for me. Let's just get on into the video. Okay, so we're just gonna get right into it. I think I want to start off with the body wash. So as you guys know, in my last video, if you haven't watched it, I'll have it linked down below and in the card, like up. I don't know which side it's gonna be on, but I use Dove and Dove only for body wash, and I do use the sensitive bar soap, and I would recommend you guys get a little container. I got this from Target. It was like $1, and you put your bar soap in here, but I ran out of the bar soap. I don't have it anymore, so this is currently empty. But when I do have it, you don't want to just leave your soap laying in the bathtub, and I just put it in a container. Like, this is just more convenient, and it's like, it's clean. Like, I also use like these for my toothbrush. It's like a little toothbrush holder, and you put it in, but it's downstairs in my bathroom, so I'm not even gonna like go get it. But it's the same concept, like it's just a case. So this is a case for your bar soap, but I do use liquid soap, and this is the Dove Restoring Coconut Butter and Cocoa Butter. And I showed you guys this in my pampering video, which I will be doing another one of those because that video was like really cut short. But I started using this. This is actually a new one that they released, and it smells so freaking good. Like, this smells so good. I was like, I have to get it. So this is my second bottle. This is actually new. So this is what I use, and I also told you guys that I use a rag in the shower. So this helps me smell fresh. And I know like some people are, there's like a debate on if you use soap down there because it'll throw off your pH balance, so you're not supposed to use soap and you're just supposed to use water. I'm gonna say that I personally do use soap. I don't like shove soap up my, you know, but I do use soap. And when I do have, I keep picking this up because this is what it would be in, like when I do have the Dove sensitive bar, I will use that as well, like down there. That's how you can like smell fresh, because it's like unscented and it's for sensitive skin. So I would recommend getting that. And this, I feel like Dove has so many like great scents, and these are all aluminum free, sulfate free, and this is a plant-based moisturizer. Like, it just feels so good on your skin. So I really love Dove. I also wanted to talk about, since I'm on body soap, where is it? Okay, so the Honey Pot, it's actually like a black owned business, and it's been getting a lot of buzz lately. And my sister actually picked up the body wipes, the sanitary pads, the body soap. What else do they have? I think that's it. But they have panty liners. So she picked up a bunch of stuff, and I actually tried this in the shower, but I can't really give a full review on this because I only used like one pump and it didn't really feel like a soap. I'm not really sure. So this is the Honey Pot Company's sensitive foaming wash. It's a plant-based soap, I guess. So it's 100% natural, and you're supposed to shake it and then you pump it into your hand. So it's like a foaming wash. Doesn't smell like anything, of course, because this is sensitive. Like, it's for sensitive skin. It doesn't really have a scent, but I can't really give a review on it because it didn't really feel like soap. So I just went in with my Dove right after I used this, and I'm gonna try this again though. This is what it looks like. And they also have a normal foaming wash, but I did not try this yet. This is the orange packaging, and it's the same concept, but this is just like the normal wash, and that was the sensitive one. So I will keep you guys up to date with the Honey Pot. I have so many more things that I did not try from them, but I'm just gonna put them in this video so you guys can like explore your options just like I am. I also, so what I use to smell fresh, like even when I'm on my period or when I'm not, I do use body wipes, and this is a really good brand. These are, I think it's called Good Wipes, and it says down there wipes. They're individually wrapped. They're flushable, which is really great, so you don't have to like throw them in the garbage. You can like flush them down the toilet. But they come inside of a box, and they have them individually wrapped in these little packages. So it says classy and sassy. Yeah, I'm both. So since they're individually wrapped like this and they're really tiny, you can keep them inside your bag or like in your pocket, like anything. You could just carry them and it doesn't really look like much. I know a lot of people use baby wipes when they use the bathroom. They use wipes that are made from like the toilet tissue brands, like Scott has wipes, and then they have like the regular store brand like wipes for like adults, and then they have baby wipes. So these are actually for like women, and you guys can use these. Well, anybody can use them, so you guys can use these instead of like buying the baby wipes. Like I feel like using these are much better, and it's like specifically for you. You can flush them down the toilet with this specific brand. And I know baby wipes, they're much bigger and thicker. You can't put that in the toilet. You have to like throw them away. The Honey Pot also has wipes as well. These are the normal wipes. They also come inside of a box just like the other ones. I did not try these yet. This is for intimate body parts, your body and your face. And they are individually wrapped, which is extremely good. Like it's just so cute, and I feel like it's, I don't know, I just feel like it's good to have like wipes like this, because you don't have to carry around an entire like pack of wipes with you, or like keep them in your bathroom. Like these are very like discreet, and it's just cute packaging, and I feel like it's better if you have these little wipes. So the Honey Pot also has like just body wipes. So these are, you can use this on your body and face. I still haven't tried these. This is the sensitive, this is the normal, and this is what they look like. I haven't tried these yet. This is what I was telling you guys in the beginning. Like I just have some products that I wanted to show you guys because I want to start using them, and I'm pretty sure they're gonna be like good. I feel like it won't be anything really to complain about. I'm gonna be using like the sensitive ones. I did actually try this. I think I did try these. I did try the little box of wipes. I think that we have the sensitive ones, or maybe they're the normal ones. I did try those, and they're like regular wipes that you use to wipe yourself when you use the bathroom, and I just think they're really convenient, and I love them so much. So you guys should check it out. The Honey Pot also has, my camera's getting really blurry. Okay, so the Honey Pot also has sanitary pads and panty liners, like I said to you guys, but I still haven't tried them out. So these are the regular herbal infused pads with wings, and it's just in this little package. I do want to try them out. I still haven't tried these yet. I'm not really picky when it comes to pads. I do use the Always brand. Sometimes I use tampons from Always. Or is it Tampax? Is that the same thing? I don't know. I'm gonna just put like a picture of it on the screen. But I do use these, but normally I've just been using, well lately I've just been using regular pads. I do use this brand. This is what I meant to say in my hygiene routine. I said 7th generation, and that's not what I use. This is the, what is this called? It's chlorine free ultra thin pads. I don't know what it's called. It just says L. The package looks like this. So these are the pads that I do use. My sister started buying these, and I tried them, and they work really well. And these are like better, I guess. It's no synthetic pesticides, dyes, or fragrances. So I really recommend anything that's unscented. I also use the Always brand, like I said. And then these are the Honey Pot Everyday Herbal Infused Panty Liners. It's mint cooling, lavender calming, and aloe soothing. And I did not try these yet. I haven't tried these yet, but I told you guys in my last video that I recommend you using panty liners when you do wear a tampon, because sometimes, like if you're at work and you don't have time to like change your tampon and fast, sometimes it does leak through, and wearing a panty liner will save you from that, so you don't have to like stain your underwear or anything. So I do recommend using panty liners. I will be trying this stuff out, the stuff that I told you guys that I didn't try yet, like the Honey Pot pads, the panty liners, and I didn't try like the body wipes. They're just like regular wipes for your face. You can use it on your face, like anywhere on your body you can use the wipe. So I feel like it'll be good. But I haven't tried those yet, but I will try them. Also, when it comes to like keeping down there fresh, I do recommend the Venus razors, and I keep throwing away the box because I didn't think I was gonna film another video like this. So when I bought new ones, these are all new, and then I had 2 other ones that I used. I threw away the box, but this is the Venus like razor. This is what it looks like. I know there's a lot of them and they're extremely different, but these are, I think these are the sensitive skin ones. I'm really not sure. I do use these specifically. I don't like to use the thin razors, like the ones that are really cheap, because they cut my skin immediately. The minute I try to shave, like I'm already getting cut by the razor. So these are much better for me when I'm in the shower. Like I can just easily shave. Like with these, you could just shave by like having the water pour under your arm. Let's say you're shaving your arms, and as soon as you use this razor, like it'll take the hair off and you won't get like cuts. How I've experienced it, and I'm like, okay, these razors are really good. So I always use those. Whoa, that was really quick. So I think I did go over everything that is new or that I've been using, like all the soaps, the wipes, and what sanitary pads to use and all of that. That's just to keep you smelling fresh. I think I went through everything that I use or that I want to use, and I'm just giving you guys some tips on like what to use. So I do recommend using wipes, like I said, every time you use the bathroom, or just keep it in your bathroom. You could keep it in your bag, like having little wipes like these, and from the Honey Pot. And this is the brand Good Wipes. I feel like it's just good to have these. Honey Pot, these wipes are not flushable, so you have to throw them away, but they are. This is not flushable but compositable. So you can't flush these down the toilet, but you can flush these down the toilet, and I just recommend both, or just having these instead of using baby wipes, because baby wipes are for the babies. I mean, you can still use them. I'm not telling you guys that you have to do this, but this is just what I recommend. Just how I keep down there smelling fresh. When I do have my period or when I don't, I still use these wipes because it's easier than just using, I mean, it makes more sense to use a wipe than dried tissue, because it's just gonna like leave a smell or like just leave stains on your body. Like, you know, you guys know what I mean. But I just recommend using wipes. Dove body soap, I would recommend like literally any Dove body soap. They're just amazing on your skin. I do recommend you guys trying out the Honey Pot because it is a Black owned business and it's been getting so much buzz. So I'm excited to try these products. I did try some of them already and they're pretty good. And that's basically it. If you guys enjoyed this video and you want like, I guess like a more in-depth one, or I don't know if I could get any deeper than what I like spoke about, please let me know in the comments. Give this video a big thumbs up if you guys did enjoy it, and leave some suggestions down below, because we are in quarantine and I know everybody's home and I hope everybody's like safe and healthy and doing okay. A lot of people are just at home. I will try to make more content for you guys. Just let me know down below in the comments what you guys want to see from me, and I will definitely make those videos. Give this video a big thumbs up. All my social medias will be linked down below and on the screen, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
I was dropping late while y'all niggas snoozing. Get that work, break it down. 100,000. Promise they gon'